Good day, sir. I am Zara Stephen John Biana, and now I will discuss the LO number 3, a formative assessment about International Maritime Organization. Now we will discuss about the International Maritime Organization, or IMO. So there are four pillars of IMO, and we will also discuss its function. So first is the SOLAS, or what we call safety of life at sea. It is an international convention for the life at sea for all seafarer, and for the MARPOL, for the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Third is the STCW, Standard of Training Certification and Watchkeeping for Seafarers. And the last is MLC, Maritime Labor Convention. In this topic, we will discuss all of these four pillars of IMO, including its function. So first, we will discuss the SOLAS. So SOLAS, the focus of this topic is the maritime safety. So SOLAS is considered the most important of all maritime treaties. Its primary function is to set minimum safety standard for the construction, equipment, and operation of merchant ships. And also the key function of the International Convention for the Safety Life of Sea is to regulate ship stability, fire protection, life-saving appliances like lifeboats and vests, also the radio communications and safety of navigation. It also ensures that ships encounters an emergency, it is structurally sound enough to survive and equipped to save the lives of these on board. And the next is MARPOL, or the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships. The focus of this topic is about the environmental protection. For MARPOL, the main convention aim is to prevent and minimize pollution from ships, whether caused by routine operation or accident spills, like oil spill during bunkering. That are the main example of accident spill that happen on board. And also the key function is to divide into 6 technical annexes that regulates different types of pollutant. So Annex 1 is about oil, Annex 2 is chemical, Annex 3 is about packaged harmful substances, and Annex 4 sewage, and Annex 5 garbage, and the last is air emission or greenhouse gases, which is Annex 6. All of these annexes have different meaning and functions, and also its function is to preserve the marine environment and the atmosphere. Third one is the STCW, or Standard of Training Certification and Watchkeeping for Seafarer. The focus of this topic is about the crew competence. So while SOLAS focuses on the ship, STCW focus on the people operating it. Before this convention, standard for seafarer varied widely between countries. So most of the seafarer must have or must need to get the STCW training or certificates. So they are competitive seafarer that will have a work on board. And the key function of it is to prescribe minimum standard relating to training, certification, and watchkeeping for seafarer, that is ensure that master, officer, and ratings have the necessary professional knowledge and skills to perform their duties safely. And it is also strict standard for medical fitness and watchkeeping, monitoring the ship's path to prevent human error. And the last is about MLC, or Maritime Labor Convention. So, all seafarer must know about this topic for Maritime Labor Convention. The focus of this one is the seafarer's welfare, known as the Seafarer Bill of Rights. The MLC was established by the ILO in cooperation with the IMO to ensure that the human element of shipping is protected from exploitation. The key function of MLC is to set out of seafarer rights to decent condition of work, including minimum age, employment agreements, hours of work and rest, payment of wages, paid annual leave, repatriation, medical care, and accommodation. It will ensure that ship owners provide a humane working environment, which indirectly improves safety by reducing crew fatigue and stress. This is very important for all maritime, so they must understand and know what is MLC all about?